How to check old chat messages on Facebook. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the profile option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. Here, tap on the See More in Account Center page, and in Account Center, tap on the Your Information and Permissions option under Account Settings. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, tap on the Export Your Information option you see there, and then tap on the Create Export option. You will then be required to choose your Facebook profile, so tap on that. Further, you will be required to choose where you want the exported files. I will simply tap on the Export to Device option, and with this, the exported file will be saved to my device. Now, further, tap on the Customize Information option you see there, and then tap on the Clear All option on top, and make sure to select only messages if you just want the old chat history. Finally, tap on the Save button and then tap on the Date Range option and select the All Time option you see there, and then tap on Save again. Next, go ahead and tap on the Save Changes option you see there and then choose the format and the media quality. And finally, tap on the Start Export option. You will then be required to enter the password of your Facebook account. Finally, tap on Continue, and with this, your export will be processed. Wait for it to complete and then go ahead and open Files on your device, and then go ahead and open the downloaded file from Facebook, and you will be able to view all your chat history. So, this is how you can see old chat messages on Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.